All right, duck hunters and fishermen, here we are at Crossett Harbor. This is we're on 82, and this is just, it's not far off of the main highway. About the same as Celine Marias. It's a little bit nicer, but there are people that will come down here and try to hassle you. I say a little nicer. It's way nicer. If you can't tell, that's a bathroom, public bathroom over there. There's a couple pavilions. Man, this is the busiest one yet. We actually have a lot of boats here. They might be doing a tournament. There's a bass club out of Crossett that hosts tournaments down here. This is not part of the National Wildlife Refuge, so do not come down here trying to deer hunt. There's a small little square of land cut out right here that it is surrounding Crossett Harbor and Crossett RV Park. So do not come out here and try to hunt. Now this black Ford right here, I came down here last night and he was basically camped in his truck along with that white Dodge. So he wanted to be one of the first ones out of the gate. And yes, most of these places I visited last night just to see how many people there was. And this is the only place there was anybody. So if you wanted to come to some of these places and just kind of camp out, build you a fire, well, aside from this one, I don't think you can actually build a fire at Crossett Harbor. Like I said, there are some people that come down here and hassle you a little bit, but it's not real bad, not compared to some of the other places I fished. But any of the primitive campgrounds, you could just kind of hang out in them and build you a fire, roast marshmallows and sing Kumbaya if you wanted to, and I doubt anybody would give you any problems. But that was pretty busy, and that's kind of expected. A lot of people from Crossett will go to that boat ramp instead of any of the rest of them. So I imagine pretty much everybody there is from Crossett. So there's your opening morning of the first split update for Crossett Harbor. You guys have a nice day and stay safe.